Studio is getting the immensely capable M2 Max, and it's a performance powerhouse. Developers can build new versions of apps at warp speed with up to 25% faster performance than M1 Max. Motion graphics designers using After Effects can render up to 50% faster than M1 Max. Mac Studio with M2 Max is also 4 times faster than the most powerful Intel-based iMac. And that's
So, Wednesday the 14th of June, and it has arrived. So let's get this open. The Mac Studio M2 Max. Okay, so this way up. There it is. So you've got the usual pamphlet, and arrows to pull down either side. Now, that's as far down as it goes. Inside the box, you have the cable. I always love the smell. If there's anything in the lid, I think the lid's just packaging. So, let's put these back. There it is. The M2 Max Studio computer. You can see that. 4 Thunderbolt ports, a 10 gig Ethernet port, 2 USB-C, the HDMI 3, I think, headphones, and the power cable. And there's the on button. I'll set this up and we'll see just how we get on with it.